guys, this is my bike check for 2022. I've got the Juliana Carbon Furtado frame. I got these, what are the tires? Maxxis tires. Up in the fork, I got 150 mil travel and 140 in the rear. I normally run my suspension kind of loose, so it's nice. I got the SRAM. I got the level SRAM brakes, and these DD grips are super awesome. And then there's nothing that I know in the front. This is a Juliana seat. It's quite nice. My pedals are the, what are they? I don't know.
They're sick pedals.
Sick pedals, super sick pedals. Definitely buy them. I don't know what they're called. That is my bike for 2022. Super sick. Now let's go ride. We're at Ladies. Time to ride. Nice. You had to completely fall to start the video. Woo-wee. Oh yeah. Technical, fun, and it is one of my favorite trails. Yes. Oh yeah. What's this? Holy cow, that's like bumping my helmet. It's cool to see how the stabilization's gonna work out with the Insta360. Whoa, look at that puddle. It's big. Teeter totter. Whee. Some uphill do-do-goo. Okay. Oh, what? That's steep. Oh, barely made it. I love these bridges. Let's wait for Kai. How's that?
It's funny, it's so steep in that. I went down the trail, crashed where you saw I crashed, went down the trail. 2 meters later, a stick got cut in my derailleur. Pulled the stick out, then got to the skinny, and went over the bars into a puddle.
Hey.
I don't think about the light thing, I got to stick in my life.
Apparently, we got a skinny. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh, not good. Oh no.
Oh god.
Oh, I'm actually now you're gonna do it.
Oh, I'm alive. You doing it again?
Yeah, I'll do it again. If I fall again, okay, good. Yeah, bud. Oh, yeah, bud. I haven't done this drop in so long. Oh, it's so chill. Oh yeah. Do I go? This way, I'm assuming. Oh no, Kai's taking... What the heck is that? Oh, there's a path that way. Okay, I quite like this bike. Off to low espresso. Transitions at its finest. Whee! 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 Okay. Oh yeah. I've never tried to clear this. Oh, I cleared it. Let's go. To flat. Roller. Oh yeah. The best flow trail on the market. That's the first jump. Oh yeah. How about that skinny? I love skinnies. Ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba, ba-da-da-da. Subscribe if you're new. Insta 360. Whee! Oh, that's so fun. Shall we go around or now let's go through the better way, a shortcut. Thanks for riding with me. I'll see you next time.